Blood sugar levels play a crucial role in our health and well-being. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly foods rise blood sugar levels. In this video, we will explore the concept of the glycemic index and its impact on blood sugar levels, setting the stage for the benefits of low glycemic foods. The glycemic index categorizes foods into low, medium, and high glycemic levels. Foods with a low glycemic index value are slowly digested and absorbed, causing a slower and smaller rise in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, foods with a high glycemic value are quickly digested and absorbed, resulting in a rapid rise and fall of blood sugar levels. Glycemic value below 55 is considered as low. 55 to 69 considered as medium. Above 70 is considered as high. Incorporating low glycemic foods into your diet can support sustained energy, weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a low glycemic diet improved insulin sensitivity and reduced the risk of heart disease. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a low glycemic diet resulted in greater weight loss and improved lipid profile compared to a high glycemic diet. Low glycemic foods include whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, quinoa is a low glycemic food that is high in protein, fiber, and iron. Berries are also low glycemic foods that are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. According to Healthline, other low glycemic foods include sweet potatoes, oatmeal, lentils, chickpeas, almonds, walnuts, peanuts, oranges, grapefruit. There are many misconceptions about low glycemic diets. One common myth is that all carbohydrates are bad. However, not all carbs are created equal. Low glycemic foods are an important part of a healthy diet and can provide sustained energy and other health benefits. According to Harvard Health, low glycemic diets can help improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. High glycemic diets can lead to a variety of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. According to the American Diabetes Association, high glycemic diets can cause blood sugar levels to spike, leading to insulin resistance and other health problems. Incorporating more low glycemic foods into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Here are some practical tips. Choose whole grains instead of refined grains. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Include legumes in your diet. Snack on nuts and seeds. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Here are some simple meal plans of recipes that exemplify balanced and delicious low glycemic diet. Breakfast: oatmeal with berries and almond. Lunch: lentil soup with a side salad. Dinner: grilled chicken with sweet potato and green beans. Snack: apple slices with peanut butter. Incorporating low glycemic foods into your diet can provide sustained energy, improve health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By choosing low glycemic foods, you can enjoy a balanced and delicious diet that supports your overall well-being. Thank you very much.